Hello and welcome to Afrodigitalz Ghana, Ghana's most affordable and most reliable social media provider. On Afrodigitalz, you can promote your music and you can grow your digital platforms. In this video, I'll show you how to use this website to run your promotions from the beginning to the end. First of all, you need to visit the URL afrodigitalzgh.com. Make sure you get that right. When you visit that page, this page is what you will see. So when this page opens, what you do is to click on Get Started. Click on the Get Started button right on the front page, and here you fill the registration form. Fill in your first and last name, your email password, confirm the password, and choose your time zone. You can leave it to the natural setting on your phone. Tap the I agree, the terms and policy. If you have a referral ID, it is optional, you can include it. If you don't have, just leave it. And then click on create new account. Okay, so with that, you will have your account created. So having created your account, the next thing you need to do is to log in into your Afrodigitalz GH account. And what you do is to come to these three red marks that is at the extreme right. That's three red, 1, 2, 3, that is at the extreme right. Click on it and click on login. You see, so when you click on login, it will ask you to log in into your account. So you do that and then you log in into your account. I'm logging into mine now. It will say login successful. You can also, if you click on the remember me button that we just saw, you won't have to be logging in every time again. The moment you type Afrodigitalz GH on your phone, it will take you directly to the website, into the website's dashboard. So this is the website dashboard. I have 49,109 Ghana cedis here in my own dashboard. These are the recent orders and all of that. So what you do next is to click on these three lines again, that is at this these three lines that is at the extreme left. This, yes, tap on that, and these are the menus on the website. So first of all, you need to add funds. If you want to add funds, the minimum you can add is 10 cedis. So you can go through this method. You can pay through Paystack. Automatically your account will be funded. Click on this. I understand after the funds added, I will not ask for delays and all of that. Click on pay. If it is 10 cedis, okay. If maybe I want to fund 100 cedis, right? So click on this pay. You wait for it. It will lead you to Paystack, and then you go through the procedure. You pay with your card or you pay with mobile money. The other option you have is to scroll down and come to the manual payment. Yes, so you can pay by sending a minimum of 10 Momo into through Vekumi Ado's Momo details, and they contact us through support or through our WhatsApp for us to manually credit your account. Now, when you have money on your account, the next thing is to check the orders that we have. You click on new order. New order is for you to look for what you want to pay for. You want to pay for Instagram likes. This is the cost of the service. If you want okay, 1,000 Instagram likes is 5.4 cedis. We have another service, Instagram likes no drop, for 9 cedis. We have Instagram video views for 9 cedis. We have organic Instagram likes for 144 cedis. Organic Instagram comments for 720 cedis for 1,000. We have other services. We have add lyrics to streaming platforms. We have YouTube live stream. We have Spotify curated charts. If you want your song to be on Spotify charts, these are the these are the Spotify playlists that we have on our platform, and these are the Spotify charts. So if you want your song on, just take your time, spend some good amount of time to study out this platform, to study all the services that we have on this platform. We have a royalty-based promotion, we have radio promotions, we have gospel music promotion, we have a whole lot of services here for you. You can just go through them, and then, of course, as an artist, you know that you want to promote your music. You can as well discuss with our admin on WhatsApp to simplify this whole activation process for you. Right, so once you do that, you can come out to these three lines here. If you want to send us a message, if you want to send the admin a message, you click on tickets. Yeah, so on this ticket, click on this red plus. Tap on the red plus. Right, so when you tap on the red plus, you choose the order ID. If it is for, okay, you choose your order ID. Just fill in this form, submit your information here. If it's about an order, but if this method does not work, you can get to us through our WhatsApp number. Now WhatsApp number is 9715267222824. 9715267222824. That is our WhatsApp number. Right, so you can reach us through this number. And if you want to check out other parts of the platform, you can check them out. These are our affiliates. You can invite people to the platform, and you earn some bucks. Yeah, when the people you refer make their first deposit, you earn 5 Ghana when they make their first deposit. So these are the list of all the services that we have on the platform. You can search for any services. If you did Boomplay, you want to know what it will cost, you type Boomplay, and it will bring out all the Boomplay services that we have and the cost implications for them. So these are the Boomplay services that we have. Right, so you can just check through to see if we have what you want. Right, so if we do, then you come to, for example, you need Boomplay African streams. Come to new order, then click on category, look for Boomplay. Yeah, Boomplay music. That is the other way to search for services, like I explained. So these are the services under Boomplay that we have. So with this, you are sure of enjoying solid promotional plans on our platform, and our services come with 100% guarantee. You either get your service or you get your money back. So thanks for watching. I do hope to see you personalize our website. If you have more questions, contact us through the support ticket or on WhatsApp. Thank you very much once again, and have a nice day.